friends, Todd back with the one-page planner, and this is actually step 4 in 6 steps on how to use the simple tool to plan any area of your life, set any goal that you want to achieve. And so we've talked about how to come up with the right category in your life that needs the most help. We have talked about how to come up with all these kinds of ideas on how to or what goal you should be setting. In the last step, we went through the painful process of saying yes to one thing and saying no to everything else, which, by the way, I think you'll find that as you go through this process, this journey of achieving your goal, a lot of the things that you wrote down will actually become supportive, helpful steps in achieving your top idea. And so what you're going to do next, and you'll see this when you open up the PDF of your one-page planner, is your next step is to write out this statement. Now listen, this statement is sort of your North Star, right? This is the guiding value of your life for the next season. And so you're going to write this out and you're going to put it in a place that you can see it. You're going to write this out and put it in several places that you can see it, because you want to make sure that every decision that you make between here and there is actually supporting the goal that you're trying to achieve. And so the next thing that you do on your one-page planner is you write this down. I will blank in the next 90 days. 90 days is just long enough to achieve something significant, but it's not too far out that you actually lose sight of your goal. That's the real challenge in doing annual goals and New Year's resolutions, is you kind of give yourself this 1-year time frame, and it's actually too far. The great thing about 90 days is you get 4 of them in a year. And so even if your goal is really big, what you want to do is you want to chop that up into 4s and do kind of a part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So this would be a part 1. Now, if you were looking at my one-page planner from last year, I would have said, hey, I want to lose 50 pounds, which I did. Again, thanks to the help from the one-page planner. Now, 50 pounds in 90 days, that's kind of a stretch. I'm not sure that's really healthy, let alone something that you really should try to pursue. So I would chop that up into 4s. And I might say that this first round, I want to lose 15 pounds. So, that's, 15 times 4 is 45. So that last round, I may have to lose 20 pounds. But I'm going to say I will lose, 15 pounds in the next 90 days. Okay? And again, I'm going to write this down in a place that I can see it. I'm going to write this down in several places that I can see it, so that everywhere I look, whether it's on the dashboard in my car, whether it's taped to my mirror, or in this case, taped to my refrigerator, taped to my clothes, where I hang up my clothes, I want to put this all over the place, because I need the constant visual reminder that there's a goal. It's bigger than myself. It's something that I'm working hard on. But that's the statement that I'm living by for the next 13 weeks, the next 3 months, the next 90 days. I will blank in the next 90 days. I'll see you in the next video.